Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to delete a video on the Photos application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Photos application. Search for this, enter to open up the application, wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, navigate to a video on screen within your Photos library. If we don't see any on screen, that's fine. Let's now navigate to the hidden album that we have videos available in according to our previous tutorial. So let's just go to view, go to show hidden photo album on screen. Let's now unhide the content, go back to library, and then we have some videos. Go to media types, go to videos to access all videos. Before we do anything, let's now highlight a video, duplicate one video. That's fine, so we then have two videos to work with. Click on that duplicated video, right click, and then we should have an option that says delete one video. We then have a prompt on screen that says delete one video. Are you sure you want to delete this video? Yes, we are. Click on delete, and then we see a recently deleted folder that shows up on screen with that content in that folder. So let's now either highlight or click on delete all. We can recover if we need to. That's all for another video. Go to delete all, and then we have another prompt on screen that says, are you sure you want to delete one video permanently? This cannot be undone, which is why I always say make sure to back up any content either on your hard drive, in the cloud, and therefore if anything were to be deleted, you can still have access to it through other platforms. So click on delete, and that video itself has now been deleted, no longer retrievable unless we had it backed up to the cloud or servers or external hard drives. So we can now quit Photos. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.